Man, let me tell you how this capture page is bringing me leads every day. Why? Because anybody in the make money niche or in the MLM, I could never say that right. Can you say that? It's a little tongue twister, right? But but anybody in the MLM need what for their business to be able to thrive? Leads. And with this system, you can generate 100 to 200 new leads every day on Autopilot. Straight buyers list. What is it? Well, I'm gonna just break it to you. It is my lead gen secret. And when they get over in here and watch this free video on what it is, how it works, and how you can generate 100 leads, and anybody join under you, you get a bonus 200 leads. That's 300 leads a day, just for $1 a day. If this sounds like anything interesting to you, get to the capture page, enter your email. You can always unsubscribe at any time. Check out this free video. Just do a little tour through the Facebook group, so you can see that my lead gen secret is working, and it's helping others build a steady stream of income. Look at Dave Pinto's boom. Within 6 days, another sale to my primary officer. I just one account, guys, and make several sales every week. Man, my lead gen secret is blowing up, y'all. Like, for it to be as old as it is, this is, I believe, started a 2-3 year old company, and to this day, I searched 2003, so you guys see all the testimonies that everybody's that's joined in with my lead gen secret is making sales with these leads. These are hot and ready leads. And if you need help growing your audience and building your member-to-member subscription base, maybe you do affiliate marketing and you down and struggling on leads, this is a perfect beginner-friendly platform. I'm going to run you over into the back office. It's easy to use right here on my home account. As you can see, as of today, I got 100 leads. As of yesterday, I got 100 leads. I haven't really been promoting this as much, so therefore I don't have bonus leads. I have been using it strictly for a mailer-based system, so that way I can promote my other opportunities through and to these leads. And these leads have good click-through open rates. I've been using this system for 26 days now today. And if we go over to, I am inbox out of here. I'm going to pause this real quick. Sorry about that. So here we are in my back office of my lead gen secret. Again, we're going over into the credit mailer. There's something I do like about how this page is set up, so if it sit too long, can't nobody just come and sit down at your computer and go in through your mail, your back office into your mail. So if I was to mail these out and I'll hit select, you see 2,600 leads as of the day of 26 days of using my lead gen secret. Another awesome side about the mailer, you can either send from you with a no response from lead gen, or you can leave it with a lead gen secret as a response. This is awesome. So whatever mail you send out, as you see, I've been sending out a lot of test campaigns. You see what type of click-through rate I'm getting with these leads here. And it's so full of training and what to do and how to do videos when you get in here. Mailing Sister one-on-one training. This is another training course within this program to teach you how to do email marketing and better set up your emails for success if you're brand new to email marketing. So if I was to select one of these, I'll go here with the fixed first name. So this is gonna do each lead is gonna call them by their first name. Did you get to read this yet? It has my previous email preloaded in. You can set pictures in here and different type of links. I really enjoy that because it makes your emails more touchy and more personable, because that's what you want to do when you're doing email marketing. You want to be very personable with the leads, so that way they get to know you, like you, and trust you. That's what it is. That's what you want to gain and accomplish with the leads, the know, like, and trust factor. Once they get to know you, like you, and trust you, they're more susceptible to buy from you and click through your links to see what it is that you have to offer or whatever promotion it is that you're sending out. It makes this more of a responsive list. So that's awesome to be able to put your picture and stuff. And again, if you're new to email marketing and you're very not tech savvy, they do have a training video right here. So that way you can learn and know how to set your email campaigns up for success. So yeah, that's my lead gen secret in a nutshell. If you want to get over here and watch this free video, make sure you go here. The link is in the bottom description of the video. And you're gonna hit your email, sign up, watch the free video. If this is something that can be very useful to you, and I'm just saying it's more affordable than trying to go with solo ads and solo ad vendors, where you're gonna pay almost $200 per click, maybe 160 clicks, 200 clicks. That's only 200 for $100. So please do yourself a favor. I can't say it like that, but do yourself a favor. Check out the free videos. Not gonna hurt. You can unsubscribe from the email list at any time that you want. Like I said, I'm here to help, and I think this program here is 100% foolproof, especially if you're a beginner and just now getting into uh, business from home. You're doing member to member paid services, because I'm telling you right now, as any other experienced marketer would say, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. And if you're not generating traffic, you're not generating income. Just plain and simple. But, check that link out down at the bottom of the description. Get over to this free video right here. Watch it. And again, much to your success until the next one. My name is Corey Norris, and I'm out of here. I'll get with you guys later. Go ahead. Yeah, you can go ahead.